Alright, different type of product today is a 10-inch Android tablet. It's a Vankyo. I'll just quickly run through some of the key points and features. I will put a link in the description so you can have a look for yourself in more detail. But it's got GPS and FM, Android 9, Octa-Core, 32 gig of RAM, 64 gig of storage, 1280 by 800, 10-inch IPS display, 5 megapixel front-facing camera, 8 megapixel rear, 6000 milliamp hour battery and dual speakers. So next thing I'll do is run through the unboxing. We'll get it set up and go through some of the features and try them out. Right, so I've already taken the cellophane wrapper off because it came during the COVID-19 crisis and I wanted to take it off and wash my hands. So next thing, the box should just lift off, it says. Okay, so we can just see inside there. That's the tablet wrapped up. Card in there asking if we are happy. The tablet itself feels nice and solid, first things first. Cellophane wrapper on the front. Nice feel to the back. Camera in a flash. We'll have a look at that in a moment. I'll just pop it over there. What else is in the box? Quick start guide there, put to the side. Nice thick user guide in several languages. Cardboard inserts, nothing under there. I'm guessing there's going to be a charger and a lead in. The lead comes out and that's USB type C. I'll just take that out quickly. So if the camera focuses, can we see it? There you go, so quick look there, USB type C. Which I prefer to the micro USB, which always seems to fail and get a poor connection. UK charge adapter, it's been sent from the UK, and it is, if I look, 2 amp, so nice quick charge there as well. Pop that to the side. Right. So let's just have a look at the front of the tablet. That's it from the front. It's the back. You see there it says Vankyo S20. If I just look at the bottom, see we've got the 2 speak holes there as well. Charge port there. Okay, it says TF, it's just a micro SD slot in there now. I've eventually picked that open. Don't know. It's on the side there, you've got the volume and the power button, so I'll turn it on in a second. Microphone. 3.5mm headphone input, but I understand it has Bluetooth as well for a Bluetooth headset or headphone. So look at the tablet itself. Peel that cellophane off. You can just see there it's got its front facing camera, which is a 5 megapixel, 8 megapixel on the rear, and we'll put some test photos up. I'm going to see if it's got any power in it. Fresh out of the box, I'll try and turn it on. Okay, so I've just gone through all the normal sort of Gmail sign in. I thought I'd skip that bit because I don't want everyone to know my Gmail. I've actually signed in with my partner's Gmail because I want her to use it. One of the features on this that I don't have in mine is it's got a black and white reader similar to a Kindle, which should be an advantage, should be good for your eyes and also help the battery to last longer. So, quickly go onto my channel, try a video clip. Don't want to try. Okay, so that's a nice colourful demo. I'm just going to get some sports as well, which I've got on my channel somewhere. If I quickly scroll down. Nice. Try a bit of football, since we've got no live football at the moment.
Champions, Juventus. It's a magic, it's a great ball. And he directed it to the front corner. And those two working again. 4-on-3 here for Spurs. Son, well laid off, and Buffon makes a fine save. He's guided in by Octa-Core. Troy Parrott denied on the first attempt. But Lamella is there to beat Buffon. Spurs have been the better team, and on the half hour, they lead Juventus. The foul to me on the edge of the penalty area. We play on. And Pjanic, Higuain. Oh, well worked for Taro Higuain. The lad's a top finisher, and he's done it against Tottenham Hotspur before in the Juventus shirt. The man back from Chelsea has made it Juventus 1. DeCilio up against Walker Peters. A good cutback, and it's deflected into the net. And Ronaldo has his goal, and Juventus have turned this around. They now lead by 10 goals to 1. And there is the iconic celebration of Cristiano Ronaldo. Juve half, and what a pass for Lucas Moura. His assist.
Okay, so that's it for that. I just wanted to try a couple of video clips so we could have a look at the quality. The screen on this is 720, but all said and done, it's actually pretty good for that. So it's just come out of there. I'm going to try a bit of web browsing. So I'm just going to go to the BBC News site and see how it performs. But it feels nice and responsive to the touch, nice and quick. And BBC News there. Okay, so not many nice stories, but I just want to try one just to see how quickly it opens. I'm just testing the scrolling there, but that's nice and quick, nice and responsive. Swipe down from the top, what other modes have we got? So that's the reading mode I was told about. So we could go into the reading mode, turns it to black and white, which should save some battery, possibly better on your eyes, and you don't need it full colour if you're reading a book anyway, so that's pretty cool. Let's just come off there a second. Energy saver, smart saving. So I guess that optimises it to give you what you need, but yet save some power as well, so your battery will last longer. I'll go through the features shortly as well. Let's just come out of there. No, that's pretty good. Now, down from the top, what else is built in? Eye comfort, so that might be blue light filter, I'm guessing. Yeah, it is. You get that yellowish tint. Let's have a look. It does have Bluetooth as well, which I'll turn on. Got some Bluetooth Bose headphones here. I'll try connecting to those. See if it does. Pair new device. Comes with my TV. I don't want my TV. I'm looking for headphones. There they are. Pairing. It's connected to my Bose headphones, tells me I've got 90% battery, just going to come out of there, back to YouTube, wherever it is. That's it, if I just hold get off the advert. Yeah, that's it, so if I hold my headphone up, you can hear the audio coming out of there, that's my headphones connected. So I'm just going to turn the headphones back off. Okay, come off there. So this is on Android 9. I should have the multi-window so you can see what I've been connecting to. Oh, I see. Okay, so my partner's going to use this. She'll probably have Facebook and all sorts of gumph installed on it. So, Spec wise on this, it's got 32 gig of RAM, 64 gig of inbuilt storage, GPS and FM, but I haven't found where the GPS is, I'm just reading off of the spec sheet. 1280 by 800 resolution with a 10-inch IPS display, 5 megapixel front camera, I'll insert a picture here from the front camera. Okay, 8 megapixel rear camera, again I'll insert a couple of pictures there that I've taken with the 8 megapixel rear. Right, so you can just see there, that is the front camera there. If it focuses, front camera, carefully turn over, there's the rear camera and the flash. 6000 mAh battery, so you should get plenty of life out of it, depending on brightness of the screen and what you're doing with it. Dual speakers, I will try some games on it when I get a chance as well. Power button, volume buttons, headphone input, so you still can use your traditional 3.5mm headphones. Twin speakers there, and I will let's just do a quick audio test. See what it sounds like. So it's got YouTube Music as an app that's already sort of on the quick launch. So we can go to Ben Sounds and try some of their copyright free music. Okay, one final test I'm going to do is just try gaming on it. So I've installed Angry Birds 2. I'm not a massive game player on tablets, but this should run small to medium sized games quite well. Eventually, here we go. I did actually play all the first Angry Birds, saying I don't play them much, but I've not tried this one, apart from just messing about. Okay. That was easy. Cool. Just try one more for the sake of the demo. Not because I'm getting into it and having fun. Okay. Brill. So I shall leave that at that for now. Let's just see how we close it. There we go, and I can just go there, close that down. So pretty cool. So all in all, small cheap tablet. I think on Amazon they're about £129. So for the money, it's a good sort of entry-level tablet. Kids, older people like that, or people who are not going to use it too much, or if you're just reading sort of books and going on Facebook and things like that, should be ideal.